Hello everyone, welcome to Maneuver TISNET 2021 preparation. So guys, welcome to data interpretation video once again. And here we are going to see some difficult question based on mixed graph where you will find two or more diagram at one place. But don't worry guys, we are going to see this type of question. We are going to solve this type of question in very easy way, and also you will see ki how we can do this type of question in less time, but you have to improve your calculation. Some little bit basic calculation you have to improve. That's it. Okay, so guys, if you want to join our online live prep batch, so you can call or WhatsApp on this number, or you can log on to maneuveredu.com guys. So let's start with the video. Following graph shows the number of males and females in 5 different villages in Maharashtra. So there are 5 different villages like Bandra, Shirpur, Gangapur, Malkapur and Ardhapur. This is the red line which represents female, and this is the blue line which represents male. So guys, this is our line graph, and this is something pie chart you can say, and where it is given percentage of illiterate males. So here it is given illiterate males. In case in the question अगर आपको ठीक है literate males के बारे में पूछा जाए, तो you can say कि if let's say in Bandra there are 18% what illiterate males. So at that time you can say कि there are 82% literate. Okay, so like that we can go further. Okay, so here also it is what percentage of literate female. Let's say कि अगर मैं कहता हूं कि बांद्रा में 15% literate females हैं, तो I can also say कि there are 85% illiterate females in Bandra. Okay, so let's move ahead. So this is our first question. What is the total number of illiterate females in Gangapur village? So first of all you are going to see Gangapur. So there are 180 females in Gangapur, and here 15% is nothing but literate females. So I can say कि 15% is literate females. So what you have to find 85% na, because here it is asking about illiterate females. So 85% of this 180. So how will you find 85%? So first of all you have to find what 10% of 180. You can easily find 10% of 180 by shifting one decimal back. So this is your 10%, that is nothing but 18. Okay, what you have to find 85%. So first of all you will find 80%. So 80% is nothing but you have to multiply this 18 by 8. So 18 8s are nothing but 144. You have to do 1 to 20 table. Okay, so this is very crucial. 144 is nothing but 80%, and now what you have to find 5%. So 18 is 10%, so you can find 5% dividing it by 2. Okay, so it will give you 9. So 144 is 80%, and now you have to find 5%, so plus 9, and that will give you 153. So nothing but your option number D. So hope you are getting it ki how you have to find percentage. Okay, now question number 2. The illiterate females in Bandra village is what percent more than that of Malkapur village? And here it is talking about females, so we are going to see this red line. So female in Bandra there are 200 female, and you have to find illiterate. So here it is given literate, so illiterate is nothing but 85%. So you have to find 85% of this 200 is what percent more than that of Malkapur village. Malkapur, where is Malkapur? So here it is Malkapur. It is talking about the female. So you can say this is nothing but 196, and in Malkapur there are 25% literate. So how many are illiterate? So you can say 75%. So here Malkapur 196, and you have to find 75% of it. So you can write 75% as 3 by 4, and now you can find. ठीक है, अगर मैं इसका 85% फाइंड आउट करता हूं तो इजीली यू कैन से इट इज नथिंग बट 170. हाउ 28 जा, ठीक है, 20 इज नथिंग बट 10%, 8 जा, तो that will give you 160, and 5% is nothing but 10. So if you will add, you will get this 170 directly, and if you will cancel this will give you 49. Okay, and Now if you will multiply, you will get what? 147. This is the illiterate female of Malkapur, and this is the illiterate female of Bandara. Now what you have to find, how much percent more it is. Okay, so the base value is what? 147, and how much more? If you want to find more, then what you can do, you will subtract it, so you will get 23. Now basically what you have to find, key this 23 is what percent of this 147, that thing you have to find. So you can easily find this 10% of this 147. So 10% of this 147 is nothing but 14.7, and now you can also easily find 5%. Okay, so by doing half, hai na? So I can say that is nothing but 7.35 easily, and this is nothing but 0. If you will add it, you will get this 5, and this is nothing but 22.05. Okay, means I can say that this is nothing but 15% of this 147 is nothing but 22.05. I can say little bit more than that will give you what? This 23. So that is nothing but your option number B. Okay, okay, hope it would clear. Moving ahead, guys, what is the total number of literate males? So if you'll talk about the literate males, so this is what the illiterate males. So how you can find literate males? So first of all, you have to minus this by 100. So I can say in Bandra, I'll write here, in Bandra there are how much? 82% literate, 85% in Sripur, and this is 75%, and this is nothing but 74%, and this is nothing but your 84%. Okay, so now this is the percentage of not illiterate, this is the percentage of literate males. Here it is asking, na? That's why I found out. Okay, now what you can do, you have to find the percentage. This blue line represents what? Male. First of all, we are going to start from Bandra. So 82% of this 250. So you can easily find out 80% of this 250 by multiplying this 25 into 8. So that will give you 200, and after that you have to find 2%. Okay, so 2.5 into 2, that will give you what? Nothing but 5. So you can directly say 2, not 5. Okay, hope it would clear. Now 85% of this Sripur. So here it is 180, and what you have to find? 85%. So 18 8 ja, that is nothing but 144, and 5% is nothing but 9. So that is nothing but 153. Here also this is 180, and you have to find 75% of 180. You have to multiply this 180 by 3 by 4. So it will give you 45, and 45 into 3, that is nothing but 135. Okay, and now you have to find this 74% of this 150. So 70% you can easily find 15 7 ja 105, and 4% of 1.5. Okay, so I'm elaborating it. Dekho, 150 का 10% is nothing but 15. So you have to find 74%. So I can say कि अब इसको 70% find out करना है, तो you will multiply this 15 by 7. 15 7 ja 105. You can easily write. And if you'll find 1% of 150, then you can say that is nothing but 1.5. How? If you have to find 10%, then you will go 1 decimal back. If you have to find 1%, then you will go 2 decimal back. So you can say directly 1.5 is nothing but 1%, and you have to find here 4%. So if you have to find 2%, then you can say that is nothing but 2 times of this 1.5. So I can say 3, and you have to find 4%, so plus 3. So that you can say that is nothing but 6. So I will what do? I will add this 105 plus 6, and that will give you directly 111. Okay. Now what you have to find? You have to find 84% of this Ardhapur. So Ardhapur is nothing but 250, and you have to find 84%. So 25 8 ja, that is nothing but 200, and you have to find 4%. So you can say 2.5 into 4, that is nothing but your 10. So 210. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to add it. So now how you can add this easily? Okay, so this is 205, and I will give this 5 to this. Okay, so that will make 140 एंड आई विल गिव दिस 10 टू दिस, ठीक है, तो ये क्या बन जाएगा 5 एंड प्लस दिस 10, सो दैट विल मेक 150. अब ये 200 हो गया, ये भी 200 हो गया, तो 200 200 400 एंड दिस इज नथिंग बट 150, तो 550 आपका आ गया, ठीक है. 550 एंड प्लस दिस 150, तो 550 में आप अगर 50 ऐड करते हो तो दैट विल गिव यू 600 एंड प्लस 100, तो दैट इज नथिंग बट 700 एंड दिस 100 इज 800, ठीक है, 800 and this 3 and this 11, 814. So your option will be first. Okay, hope it would clear. The literate females in Sirpur village is what percent more than the illiterate males in Gangapur village? So literate females in Sirpur, so that is nothing but 25%. So I can say, if I'll talk about the Sirpur village, there are 240 females, so you have to find 25% of this, so you will get what, 60. How? By multiplying 1 by 4, okay, because 25% is nothing but 1 by 4. Now what you have to find, village is what percent more than the illiterate males? So illiterate males in Gangapur village, so Gangapur village illiterate males is nothing but 25% of this 180. So if you'll find 25% of this 180, you will get what, 45. So you have to find how much percent more, miss 15, and this is nothing but 45. So you can directly do 1 by 3 and that is nothing but 33.33%. Okay, hope it is clear. Moving ahead, what is the total number of illiterate females? Okay, so here you have to find illiterate females. So here it is given ki literate females hai na, and now you have to find illiterate females. So this is, if I'll talk about Bandra, so that total 85% illiterate, this is 75%, this is again 85%, this is 75%, and this is 80%. Okay, hope it would clear. Now from Bandra we'll start. So here it is talking about female, so we'll go with this red line. So here you have to find from Bandra 85% of this 200 is nothing but 80%, that is 160, and you have to find 85%, so that will nothing but 170. Okay, now Sripur 75%, so this is 240 ka 75% is nothing but that is 3 by 4 180. Okay, now 180 ka 85%, so that is nothing but 153, and 196 ka 75%, you have to do what, 3 by 4, that will give you what, 147. Okay, so this will give 49, and if you'll multiply it you will get 147. And now you have to find for Ardhapur, so there is 80% of this 240. Okay, so 80% of 240 is nothing but 24 into 8, that is nothing but 192. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just add it and you will get. So how you can add easily, you have to give this 3 to 147, so it will make 150 and it will also make 150. Okay, and this is 180 and 170. If you will add it, you will get what, 200 and plus 150, that is nothing but 350, and this is 300. Okay, so 300 300 600 650 and plus this 200, 650 plus 200 is nothing but 850. Okay, and you have to minus 8, so 850 में से 8 आप minus करोगे, so you will get 842 as your answer. Okay, so this was your 5 question. So as you people know, that's bare minimum 6 to 8 question will be coming from data interpretation, those who are applying for only TISNET. But those who are applying for HRM and ODCL, they have to write TISMAT apart from TISNET also. So in TISMAT there will be separate section for data interpretation for 15 marks. So you can think how much crucial data interpretation for you people. So you have to focus on this section very well. Okay guys, so in case you want to join our live preparation batches, you can call or WhatsApp on this number, or you can log on to manuveredu.com. guys, if you like the discussion, please do subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the like button, and it is your responsibility to share this lecture. The another guys also will get benefited. Okay guys, so bye bye, take care.